Can I send money to someone using a prepaid card? Have you ever wondered if you can send money to someone using a prepaid card? It's a great question, especially as more people look for flexible payment options. Let's break it down. Yes, you can send money to someone using a prepaid card, but there are some important details to keep in mind. Prepaid cards are reloadable payment cards that are not directly linked to a traditional bank account. They work similarly to debit cards but are often used for budgeting or alternative banking purposes. There are two main ways to send money with prepaid cards. One option is to transfer funds from your prepaid card to someone else's bank account. The other is to send money directly to another person's prepaid card. To send money, you usually need to use a third-party money transfer service or the features provided by the card issuer. Not all prepaid cards allow for receiving direct deposits or transfers, so it's essential to check if the recipient's card can accept incoming funds. For example, some prepaid cards let you send money through specialized payment providers that support these transfers. This process is similar to how you would transfer money using a debit card. You will need to provide the recipient's card details and complete any necessary verification steps. Keep in mind that there are often limits on how much money you can send or transfer using prepaid cards. These limits can include restrictions on the number of transfers and the maximum amounts per transaction or per day. Additionally, fees may apply for sending money or transferring funds, and these can vary based on the card issuer or transfer service. Transfer times may not be immediate, so if you need the funds to arrive quickly, prepaid card transfers might not be the fastest option. From a banking perspective, prepaid cards offer added security since they are not linked directly to a bank account. This reduces the risk if the card is lost or stolen, as only the funds on the card are at risk. However, banks still need to manage risks related to these transfers, including verifying cardholder identity and monitoring for suspicious activity. If you want to send money using a prepaid card, here are some practical steps to follow. First, confirm that the recipient's prepaid card can accept transfers or deposits. Next, use a reputable money transfer service or the card issuer's platform that supports prepaid card transfers. Be aware of any fees, transfer limits, and the expected timing for the transfer. Lastly, consider whether transferring funds to a bank account might be more efficient, especially if the recipient has access to one. In summary, sending money to someone using a prepaid card is possible, but it depends on the card's features and the transfer service you choose. Understanding these details can help you make the best decision for your needs.